Embark on an adventure into the realm of DIY phenomena. This fine day, we're venturing into the heart of an unconventional viral sensation causing a whirlwind on the digital horizon: the art of potato painting. Surprising as it may seem, an unsuspecting potato could become your passport to artistic expression. The pioneer of this brilliant idea is none other than the innovative interior maven, Abby Marie Sherwood. Her TikTok chronicle, revealing her living room walls embellished with potato-imprinted creations, has already cast a spell on 2.5 million curious onlookers. The means? It's as transparent as it appears. Carving a potato, immersing it in a pool of paint, and utilizing it as a seal to generate an array of patterns. Consider it an inventive twist on the classic sponge painting. Detractors may dismiss it as childish artistry, but the true allure of this trend resides in its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. It's an inventive, wallet-friendly strategy for those looking to infuse a dose of individuality into their homely havens. So the next time you're stripping potatoes for a meal, bear in mind, one person's tuber could be another's treasure. Until our next escapade, continue to traverse the exciting universe of DIY. Who knows what wonders await your discovery?